cute cars.
Okay, let's take a look at how we did. Now, it doesn't have to be perfect. It's just, we're gonna get this next, this cover. This has to get that rustiness out of it. I'm not trying to restore the bike. This is just for resale only, so y'all understand. We'll go to the back. I also didn't forget to do the kickstand, as you can see, where the center stand is also painted. Look at all that junk in the gas tank. This thing will never run like that, so I'm gonna have to fix that. Good afternoon. Today we're going to put together the fork assembly, okay, piece by piece. I just got done painting it, of course, everything looks good now, and we're going to do it piece by piece. And I want to talk to you about the oil, okay? Fork oil is normally used for this application, but you have two options, either jack oil or ATF, transmission fluid. I like to use ATF personally because of its anti-foaming ability, okay? So, because they didn't have any at the store, like many people run into this situation, you can substitute these two for fork oil, okay? So I'm going to use ATF, and that's what I'm going to use. The best way to top up one of these forks is to use a top from a paint can, and it's usually going to be 3/4 to the top full for each fork assembly. That's the good measurement. Alright, so let's get started. Sorry guys, I had to go and press that in, and as you can see, put this clip in with this, and it takes 3 hands to do this, so I couldn't film at the same time, but it's in. And I'm going to do the reverse way. The right way to fill this is from the top, and it's so hard because the spring keeps on coming out every time you're trying to fill it. It makes a mess everywhere. So what we're going to do, we're going to install everything and fill it from the rear like this. That's the way I do it, and it's much easier. Okay, remember you need 3/4 of this. Make sure this is completely straight up and down, and then you fill it. Make sure you get a nice rag like this and put the funnel in there. Make sure it's nice and tight. Hold it like that, and then you're going to look for bubbles to come up here. Let it bleed out as you're pouring in very slowly, okay? See if I can show you the picture of the bubbles. Can you see it? Can you see the bubbles? Okay. That's what you're waiting for. Once all the fluid is inside, then you're done. Just a little at a time, and take your time. Alright? See it? This is the least messy way to fill up a fork, I'm telling you. Okay, that's 3/4 of a paint can. This paint can right here. Make sure to put electric tape on the back and the front because there's going to be a small hole there. And that's it. Once that's done, you put in the drain screw, and it's already got tension all the way down here, so it's easy to tighten. The other way, the way other people do it in a motorcycle shop, it's just messy. And this is already tension, so you can tighten it immediately because it requires tension to get it tight like that. So there. Once it's tight pretty good, you're good. You can see it's nice and tight. Okay, so both forks are done. We're ready to install it on the bike now. Glad you liked the video, and I'm glad you made it this far. Okay, so if you like what you saw, there are 2 more videos at the bottom for you to see, one right here and one right here. Choose the one that you like, and thank you so much for watching. See you in the next episode. BBG out.